When I think of Baker, I think of a community of researchers that spans over decades and hopefully centuries. We conduct cutting-edge scientific research that will contribute to some of our biggest animal health problems and also improve the lives of the families who care for their animals. We have such a strong cohort of people who train here and then come back here to contribute as researchers. Graduate students, when they complete their dissertation, they come into our Thaw lecture hall, they present the culmination of all of their hard work, and the whole community comes together to celebrate them. And that's really unique here at Baker because we have a number of different disciplines meeting together, solving complex problems, and then bringing up these next generation of scientists and celebrating their achievements. We have a tight-knit community that is away from the hustle and bustle of the rest of our Cornell campus, and we really are able to dig into some complex basic biology problems by leveraging our strengths and coming together as a community of researchers with the goal of improving the health of animals and people. I'm Laura Goodman, and that's what the Baker Institute means to me.